Customizing your equipment descriptions in a new language with Specifi Organiser is easy. First, go to the Languages tab and select the language you'd like to add. This will create new columns for short and long descriptions. Next, export your product list as an Excel file. Open the file and enter your updated short and long descriptions in the new language columns. Once you're done, go back to Specifi Organiser, click Import, and upload your updated Excel document. Your descriptions will automatically populate the new language fields. To see your changes, go to the Specifi eCatalog and switch the language setting to the one you added. Your custom descriptions will now appear seamlessly. With this new feature, managing multilingual catalogs has never been easier.